you can see I've put up my first bucket, which has the things which I have planted. Remember, I've planted pepper. This is pepper. I have spinach. I have sukuma wiki, especially at the sides over here. I have my sukuma wiki. I have my onions, and I have my maize seedling, which is just inside here, and I have my spinach. My dania seedlings, which are still inside here. Remember, these are greens, right? Most of the things I'm planting here are greens, and they are very healthy. I'm very happy because I know my mother will have plenty to eat, even to sell some surplus. And now here I am. Remember the use of this pipe. This pipe, I'm using it for drip irrigation because I want my project to use a very little amount of water and very little maintenance, if any. So there will be barely no watering. Ile maji nitaweka hapa ndio itatumika, nitaijaza hapa ndio itakuwa ikiwater my plants through drip irrigation. Remember, we are making use of drip irrigation. So the water that I put inside here, it is what will be used the water I'm putting inside here, now it is running away with my nutrients, but no problem, I'll take care of that. So the water I'm putting inside here, it is the one which will be used or that will take care of the drip irrigation, because it will be flowing from inside the hose which I meant right over here. Okay, so for project 1 we are done. We are just waiting to see it develop, and we are okay. So I'll arrange the other buckets and some peppers, those polythene peppers. When I plant my seedlings, I'll arrange them around this tank and the other tank over there, and on top of the bathroom of that house over there. So I'll have plenty of plants grown. I'll show you. Just walk with me in the project. Right? Okay. Now you can see I've placed everything. This is an enough organic garden. If you look around, I've placed my buckets. Every bucket has sukuma wiki. It has spinach. It has onions. It has dania and some maize and green pepper, pilipili kali. So, as I said before, I have mixed them so that they can help each other in nutrients, and so that at least we also have variety to eat, because it is already there. And now you can see it will use a very little amount of water, and you can see how muddy I am, and I'm happy because yes, I'm muddy, I'm very dirty, but at least I've accomplished my mission over here. I have all what I wanted to do. I'm giving it a little time, like 2 weeks or so, and I will bring you a whole garden, very live, with a lot of green vegetables, enough vegetables to eat and even to sell. And I know my mom will be happy, people will be happy, because they will have plenty to eat from here. So I'm happy. My mission is complete over here. It's only what is remaining is it's just to have a look as my garden grows. So thank you. Let's meet in the next session.